All right, so we have some speakers now in the shop, here and here. Yeah, this weekend I went ahead and kind of hooked up some speakers and a little bit of entertainment for the shop. This is an old receiver I used to have running a like a home theater setup at another house I had, and it's a Harman Kardon receiver with I have a sub hooked to it also, and I have it hooked to my TV, and I also ran some more electrical in my little bar area here. We got an outlet there and another outlet back here to run the stereo and TV and the dish and all that. So yeah, everything's looking good. Happy the way the my little entertainment area turned out. But what I want to do today is I'm gonna take this car out and do a little more testing, a little more you know, logging and tuning, and just trying to tweak it a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my my laptop, so it will so it'll be charged for later. It's nice I have that plug now really close where I can plug in my laptop. So yeah, it's just trying to make everything a little more convenient around here, make it easier to get to things. So go ahead and plug this in. Yeah, I really like this laptop. This laptop, it lasts forever. It's amazing. I haven't charged it in probably, I don't know, a month and a half maybe. And I've taken it to the track twice and haven't had to charge it till now. So this laptop, I really love it. Let's see if I can find the model. I don't know what the model is. I don't know. It's a Dell laptop. It's got the touch screen. This also flips all the way around. Like this flips all the way around, and you could use it as a tablet. So it's all touch screen as well too. So pretty cool. But yeah, let me let this charge up, and in a little bit, maybe later on, we'll I'm gonna take it out front and do some logging and tuning, and let's see if we can get this thing dialed in. So yeah, and here's a little update on the car that's getting the cage. Got quite a bit done. It's pretty much almost ready to go. It's completely stripped. We got a box here that's just full of unneeded wires and bits and pieces and little plastic clips and everything. Everything is out of this car. It's completely stripped. So yeah, we need to figure out a way also to lighten up these doors. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do there, but these doors are just way too heavy. So we'll figure that out, whether we're gonna do Lexan or cut all this out. Just cut the whole entire frame out, maybe do Lexan. I gotta make them as light as possible. So anyway, that's a little update on this car. And yeah, I think that our battery on our laptop should be charged. So let's take that thing out and see what we can do. Okay, so we're only at around 30% duty cycle on the wastegate. So I just wanted to do that to get kind of like a base run at like low boost. Probably gonna make around 20 pounds. So it'll just be something where I can see the log and see if we're on the right track from like the last time we were doing our tuning. So we'll do that, and already I can tell it's running much better right now. Really smooth. So. Okay, so we only made about like 15 pounds of boost there, which was like 30% duty cycle on the wastegate. So It got up to like 213 kPa, but everything looks really good. Everything looks right in line. All right, so now we're on 40% duty cycle, and let's see what happens. Okay, so everything looks pretty good. It's a tad rich, just a tad, not much. If you look, this is the what we're asking for, and this is the actual. So 0.77656. So yeah, just a tad rich. So I mean, it's not that big of a deal. We can work on that a little bit, and that's at that particular boost level, which was, yeah, it peaked out around 225 kPa. So it looks like every 10 numbers I go up on the wastegate duty cycle, it's giving me another 10 to 15 kPa of boost. So that's good to know. Okay, so we're done making our 3 pulls that we just did right there, and everything looks perfect. I mean, I can't really get it much better than where it's at right now. So, I mean, we're right 0.78, what it's calling for. The only thing I really haven't messed with at all in my tuning is the timing. I think we're really conservative on timing. I'm running around like 19 degrees total timing and that was around 23 pounds of boost. I don't know, I could be wrong, I'm not sure. Maybe someone out there can tell me what they're used to, or what they do with that type of boost range, you know, 23 pounds of boost, roughly. I'm curious what everybody else does. Timing is one of those things where you want to be real careful and definitely creep up on that. So, but anyway, I'm happy with the way it's all going right now. And yeah, I mean, the only other thing I want to do would be to start tuning back on the nitrous, because we've been doing this without nitrous at all. And I think that's the right way to do it. Get it tuned properly, just, you know, on boost only. And then we'll switch over to the nitrous and see where that takes us. So, but I'm most likely going to do that at the track, because on the street here, it's just, it's getting too fast. So, but anyway, yeah, the only other thing I want to do in this video here is give you guys a little update on my property. And kind of give you guys an idea of why I've been kind of busy and not making too many videos. So the house that we're planning to build has been on a little bit of a hold, okay? And the only reason is because of all the prices of building materials, okay? Building materials have, like, the prices have gone through the roof. You know, like 2x4s were double the price, and I was talking to a few people, and it adds a lot of money to the cost to build. So, but we have the lot completely cleared, as you can see, all the way. These are some tires that were off the focus that I just used to mark off where the house is going to be. So the house is going to be there, there, and these tires kind of mark off where I'm going to bring in fill dirt. So this is roughly 65 feet, and it's going to be by like 45 feet that way. So as you can see, it's going to be pretty big. But yeah, I got the lot is completely cleared. You have to do that. You have to, when you're clearing your lot to bring in fill dirt, you have to get all vegetation. Like even this right here, I mean, you don't really want any of that. So this was done about a week ago, so I'm already starting to get some like little things starting to grow back in it. But the fill dirt I'm going to be bringing in pretty soon. So yeah, we're going to get moving on this, because actually prices for you know, construction materials is coming back down a little bit. So that's kind of what I was waiting for. I really planned on building this house like in the beginning of the year of this year, but we all know what happened, and that kind of put a damper on that. And because people stopped working, people stopped going to the sawmills, you know, people weren't going in, so there was a big shortage of lumber. Okay, so when there's a shortage, the price goes through the roof. So yeah, so I had to wait. I'm not gonna pay those prices just because, you know, of what's going on at that moment. I knew prices would have to come back down, because, you know, even large builders, you know, they were going on hold too on some things. So, but yeah, this is what I've been spending some time on. So sorry if I'm not like putting out a video every other day. It's just, you know, I got this stuff to do too. So, and but we'll be getting back on the videos. One of the reasons why I've been working on my car a little bit, this car lately, is because Orlando has this no prep race they've been doing, and the next one coming up in January is going to have a streetcar class. So I don't know if my car fits the rules or not, but I think that'd be kind of cool to enter that into the streetcar class. I know you have to go on like a cruise or something like that, which is no problem with this car. This car could cruise, it could cruise anywhere. It doesn't really matter. The only restriction on me would be fuel, which I have 5 gallons, which I'm sure this thing probably gets 20 miles to the gallon. So I could probably cruise anywhere they want it to. And it stays very cool. It never gets overheated. So I just don't know what the rules are for the streetcar class. I mean, I only have 1 seat, you know. I don't know if they require 2 seats. I don't know if they require like air conditioning or radio. I'm not sure. They're kind of debating that right now on Facebook. The guy's name's Marco, I think. He made a post on Facebook about what people should consider a streetcar. So I don't really know. I mean, I drive this car on the street all the time. I know you got to have a tag and insurance, so we have a tag. That's not a problem. Insurance, yeah, we can have that. I mean, none of that's a big deal. It's just, I don't know if they're gonna want like full interior AC, radio and all that. I don't know, so we'll see. But I'm kind of shooting for that. I'm hoping that they allow me to run in it. I think it would be fun. It's I know it's no prep, so I'd have a little bit of an advantage because this car's really light, and I hook up pretty good. You know, I'm out here on this little asphalt strip where I run my car. It's a little sketchy, but at the track, it's a little more prepped. They use the other end of the track, but it's a little more prepped than this. It wouldn't be as bad as this. So, but yeah, anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the couple passes and a little update on my property. So yeah, I'm kind of getting excited to get this house built. It's something I've been wanting to do and had to put it on hold. So, but anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I will check you all next time.